let's talk about locks and registers. Locks and registers are used to record continuously evolving aspects of the project. They are updated throughout the project, and the term lock and register are sometimes used interchangeably. It is not uncommon to see the term risk register or risk lock referring to the same artifact, right? So if you use the word register in place of a lock, right, you're still my friends, right? That's okay. That's fine. Assumption lock. Let's talk about an assumption lock. An assumption is a factor that is considered to be true, real, or certain without proof or demonstration. A constraint is a factor that limits the options for managing a project, program, portfolio, or process. An assumption lock records all assumptions and constraints throughout the project. All right? So every single constraint should be reflected in the lock. Example, well, let's say the availability of equipment, right? Let's say the equipment cannot come any sooner than in 3 months, right? So that's your constraint, and you might need to make a record of that constraint. Backlog. This term backlog is primarily used in adaptive vault, right? A backlog is an ordered list of work to be done. Projects may have a product backlog, a requirements backlog, and so forth. Items in the backlog are prioritized. The prioritized work is then scheduled for upcoming iterations, right? So we're talking here about adaptive vault, about iterations. And backlog, right, it has to do typically with iterations, with adaptive, with agile. Changelog. A changelog is a comprehensive list of changes submitted during the project and their current status. A change can be a modification to any formally controlled deliverable, project management plan component, or project document. All right. And changelogs are used extensively in predictive or waterfall vault, right? Because every single change, well, number one, is not welcomed, right? It's not welcomed. And it has to be reviewed and, of course, recorded, right? So we remember the difference between the predictive vault and the adaptive vault, right? Or iterative vault. In adaptive vault, change is welcome, right? And normal. It's a part of the plan. While in predictive plan, change is not welcome, right? And I would say probably the primary option is to reject the change. That's the primary option in the adaptive vault. If you can reject the change, you're fine.